morning, students. Today we are going to start your poetry sections. First poem, Road Not Taken. It's composed by Robert Frost. Summary and explanation of this poem is: The Road Not Taken is one of the finest poems of Robert Frost. This poem has a deep meaning. It deals with the problem of making a right choice. Many times in our life, we are faced with alternative choices. It is often difficult to decide which one to choose, but the decision we take influence our future. One morning, the poet was standing in wood. Wood doesn't mean that some woods are kept. It means forest. One morning, the poet was standing in forest. It was autumn season. He reached a point where his path split into two roads. He has to make choice in his life. That is why he's addressing himself to the forest. Now he had to make a choice between the two. He was standing on a diverging road. He stood undecided for a long time. He was thinking of it, which road he should choose or which road he should leave. Finally, he took the road on which a few people had traveled. Finally, he chose a road which was less traveled. That means he chose the road that was quite difficult, not easy, as well as adventurous too. He thought that he would have traveled upon the first path some other day, though he knew that it won't be possible for him to come back. He knew that he will never come back to this point again and take the first one and enjoy its movement. But still he thinks that whenever he will come back to the same position again, he will definitely choose the first one. He felt that his choice had made all the difference in his life. He knew that he had chosen a more challenging path. Most of the people traveled first path. Most of the people traveled on the first path, which was easy, less risky, and less adventurous. But being a poet, he chose the second one for himself. He took the path which was adventurous, risky, as well as tough too. He thinks that he had taken the other road, his life would have been different. If he had taken other road, his life would have been different. Just because he often thinks of doing something adventurous in life, he thinks everyone has to make choice in one's life, as you all might have done. Life is full of opportunities and options. One can't take up all of them. You cannot go on the same road, on all the roads before you. You have to make choice. One or the other has to make a certain choice. But never regret on your decisions. Determination is the key to success. This is the also motive of poet here. Determined, he is quite determined on his own decisions. Whatever he has taken, he is determined to that statement. Whenever we are on the same position and same consequence, we should always weigh pros and cons of the situation. To take the decision, we should take help of our parents, teachers, and our elders. You should also consult with your own conscience, which is very true. It's human nature. We have to select some or the other path in our life. To cover some distance, we should be determined on our move. Regretting your choice does not help. Regression creates creates a sensation in our mind that we have done something wrong. But on the other side, acceptance is the reality. We should accept whatever we have done in our life, whatever decisions we have taken in our life. We should accept that reality and go for it with our full determination. Okay class, now this is the explanation of your poem Road Not Taken. Question answers of this chapter will be given to you in the PDF formation. Thank you.